here in, where we at? Lithia Springs?
Lithia Springs on Thornton Road, by the Six Flags.
Okay, so we're at the Harley Davidson of Atlanta.
Yep.
Out here with Big Swole.
Yes, ma'am. Represent right there, Swole Nation.
Represent.
I ain't never seen it look so better till today. Thanks for rocking that. Appreciate it.
No problem, Chef.
Yeah.
Tell me what we got going on here.
All right, pretty much an awesome organization, Embraced. What they do is they supply mobility devices to people in need for free. So crutches, wheelchairs, prosthetics, you name it. They do nationally, locally, and internationally. They work closely with Sierra Leone, with our Bridge the Gap organization. So had a chance to come out here, do a barbecue cook-off at beautiful Harley, Atlanta. Had some chefs throw down, challenging against each other in chicken wings, pork, and best overall barbecue. Scotch Bonnet, my boy, my club brother, he actually won, took every single trophy and the belt. So big shout out, great Jamaican food. So again, awesome event. Thank you so much, Lisa Lee, for coming out with your sexy fine self.
Hey, you know I got your back.
Looking like a Krispy Kreme donut. I just want to take a bite, but I digress. But it was an awesome event, Embraced. First annual barbecue cook-off, hopefully many more.
So we're gonna do, this is gonna be an annual event?
We're thinking about it. What do you think?
I think you should.
All right, then there you go.
Awesome. Hey, and if you out there, and if you can cook, if you can throw on the cue, let them know. Come on out and join us.
Can you throw on the cue?
No, dude, I'm in the kitchen.
You're in the kitchen, what's your specialty? What can Lisa Lee make? Can Lisa Lee cook?
Yeah, I have to show you that later.
So what's your specialty?
I don't have a specialty.
I'm gonna turn this interview on you.
Okay.
Where were you on June 13th, 2012?
Where was I? I don't know.
Never mind. See, she guilty. I don't even know that she guilty.
We're gonna have to edit all that out.
No, you don't. That's the good stuff right there.
Anyway, hey, next year you guys gotta come out, support Chef Rose. Great person, a personal friend. Love you to death, dude.
Thank you very much. Can I get a hug?
Of course.
All right, cool.
Okay.
Thanks.
He's on the 8.